It's our big story at 10. Busy traffic on Highway 41 in Green Bay causing noise complaints from neighbors, particularly between Mason Street and Lombardi Avenue. Tonight, the DOT announces they have a solution. NBC 26's Alex Hagan joins us live in Green Bay tonight with more. Alex?
Well, Stacey, this area near Lombardi Avenue is the primary focus as many homes in the area are located right up against the highway. Now, neighbors voicing their concerns about the noise, wanting a noise barrier located right up against the highway, finally getting their wish.
It's gotten a lot louder as the years have gone on.
Rob Miller hears it every day.
It was a big concern.
93,000 cars and road construction on Highway 41 between Lombardi and Mason. Neighbors living within 100 feet, tired of it, have been asking for noise barriers since last year.
Most of us in this neighborhood, we sit out in the front just because you can't really use your backyard because you can't have a conversation.
In a public meeting to discuss the Highway 41 project, the DOT listens.
We take noise readings.
Building noise barriers from 172 to Mason Street, ranging from 8 to 21 feet, designed to limit noise within 500 feet.
25, 30 years from now, with the traffic volumes and the noise barriers in place, they will have less noise than what they currently have today.
Some hoping the barriers are extended.
The noise barriers are a great idea. I'm just concerned that they're not going far enough with them.
Once they are built, people like Miller
Be able to enjoy the backyard.
can enjoy a part of their home with less noise. Now, the DOT is expected to begin construction on these noise barriers this year and are expected to wrap up with that construction by 2016. Reporting live in Green Bay, Alex Hagan, NBC 26.